Can't find a nut for this guy. I got an extra one. But yeah, I found the right nut and bolt. Goes over for the throttle. I need for something else. This handy dandy nut and bolt tracer. Nice.
I'm on the cord. I need the light.
Screw like the dirt don't want to come out.
Oh. Yo, those are definitely carburetor screws.
One more air would snug this up real good. Might not need it to.
Remember, we're still in beta phase. Is it clear?
It's clear. It needs a tie punch though.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Ah, it's beautiful.
Sweet. I got a drink. I take a break. I drink. I'm gonna put that back in now.
Drink sounds good.
Yeah. I wonder if any of this is gonna interfere with the gas tank.
I researched it. They said you can make it a cover for the cables.
Okay.
Out of PVC pipe, which I have. And it said to cut it in half. And what you do is you cover these. Because when the gas tank goes on, they said the gas tank.
These pull out real easy. And you have a leak. So I brought some extra nuts.
Well, I pull out real easy too. This is why I have no kids.
I brought some extra nuts so I could put a nut down first and then tighten another nut onto it. So then the strength is just here and it's not pulling out.
Right. But what I'm saying is the research that I did, they said to build a cover to protect these cables and then mount the gas tank on top of it. Yeah, see,
it does now.
Everybody said.
What is that top cable?
Everybody see how it squishes it?
Yep.
Everybody said build a cover before you mount the gas tank.
That is rear brakes.
Right. So, wait a minute. It's right there. There's our cover.
Hey.
We just have to cut it.
That'd be good.
And they said just make a cover from here to there where the gas tank is mounted. That way the cables go freely.
My ingenuity tells me to just break these off and weld them down here.
Do you have a welder?
Yeah.
Well, we're still brainstorming. This is one hell of a project. That's for damn sure.
This I want to put underneath it. This tube shot. It's got a big hole in it. But
throw it right in the garbage then.
I want some rubber, for underneath it.
Okay.
And I really wanted to put some underneath the motor mounts, and I didn't have the rubber when I mounted it.
We're still in beta phase.
It seems like it's pretty good, though. We already tightened it. So I guess I'm going to deal with it.
All right. Well, let's take a break. I'm going to end this video short. Let's take a break.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up moving those.
Okay.
I should get some. I'm going to paint this thing and make it look nice anyway. I'll keep the Schwinn probably. I don't know. Because it's got rust and... You could probably... I have no artistic ability at all whatsoever.
Oh, this is where I come in.
Yeah. But we do need to make it have some character. It's all beat up, you know?
Did you think of a name yet?
No. I will.
We have to name it.
Well, it's got to have something to do with how it runs.
If we don't name it, it's going to be cursed.
We got to see how it runs. This fuel petcock has a nice screen on it already. There is no need to put another fucking fuel filter on there.
I put that somewhere down here. It's on the bench.
I'm not going to use it.
All right. Don't need to use it then.
Because I think I put Teflon tape on it. Yeah. Okay. So this could go where we keep Teflon tape. Maybe. This is the speedometer, man.
I noticed.
I've never used one of these. This has got to have a sensor pickup somewhere. I'm guessing on the wheel.
Yeah, I was looking at this thing earlier.
I threw the instructions away on purpose.
I would have done the same thing.
No, I'm kidding.
What? How dare you violate garage rules?
Yeah, burn them. Burn them.
Burn them all. We do not need to know what we're doing.
Oh, here's nuts and bolts from the garage door.
Put them in the tray.
Yep. Magnets are great. But yeah, for rear brakes for now, that shifter is for the rear derailleur right here. So I don't need the rear derailleur, so I'll probably use the rear brakes where the rear derailleur goes until I brake goes off and above them. Because I need brakes.
What do you need brakes for?
Yeah, I got front ones. You know, it makes them more interesting when you stop the front brakes only, especially in the rain. So. I make a real nice rack that I had on my last one. I put foot pegs out on it actually, and Heather used to go everywhere with me on this fucking thing. Everywhere.
I got a fart.
Well, if you're around any gay people, they'll get excited. So
I'm trying to hold it in. I don't want to stink up the garage.
Yeah. Come here. Yeah, we won't put the gas tank on until we bring her down.
Right.
So tighten that up. Yeah. Come here.
What?
All right, now, do I have enough of these?
Should.
They're so small.
Don't talk about my wiener like that.
That's not one. This might be one. I brought extra ones, but where are my original ones? They're around. I'll probably pick up tools and reorganize so I'm organized before I go any further. Because I don't know where my hardware is.
All right, let me get a look here for you in this video.
Oh, there's your fuel filter.
Well, I will never find that again.
Where'd it go? It disappeared.
It's coming together.
That's another part of the throttle. Throttle hill. Did you find a drill bit by chance?
I got a shitload of drill bits. All I gotta do is ask. They're crap, but they work.
We need one dagger sharp. And if we had some schmutz to put on it, so
what kind of schmutz?
Or something so we can mark it, so we could center punch it to drill it.
I have everything.
Like chalk or something.
Yes.
I have nothing. Hey, look, here's our hardware. Ay, ay, ay. Yep. I was wondering where all stuff went. More Allen wrenches. Thanks, Dad. Yeah. Wow. Man, I am sore, man.
Break time.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm asking our viewers, what do we name this beauty? Because it has to have a name. If it doesn't have a name, it's going to be cursed.
It's going to hit us.
I know. Viewers, those that are watching, what do we name this contraption? Thank you for watching. More videos to come.